the chief. I'm down to it's nothing did it when I was just a kid. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It's May 1st, 2023. Great to be with all of you today. There's a little bit of a technical difficulty here with my restream today, and I'm unable to share my charts with you, so I apologize. Hopefully we'll get it all fixed up and be ready to go on Thursday when we do our next, when we get together again and do our next one. But just a quick brief of what's going on here. Futures are off a little bit this morning, a tiny bit. They were kind of just flat a little bit a while ago. Dow Industrials up about 17. NASDAQ down about 18, and the ES futures are down about 150 or so. VIX is up a little bit. VIX futures are down though, so we'll see which one pulls the other today. If the VIX is going to pull up the VIX future, of course we do have a Fed meeting coming up starting tomorrow, and it will conclude on Wednesday with a decision on interest rates. And it's widely believed that the Fed is going to raise rates one more time to 5% on the Fed funds rate. 5 to 5.25 is the range, and likely talking about what they're going to do next in their next phase. So the market currently right now is pricing in about a let's see, about a 80. It was about an 84% chance last time I looked of a rate hike this week. 89 now. Then you go out to June, and it's a 27%. So it's about a 1 in 4, a little bit better than a 1 in 4 chance that there's going to be another rate hike coming in June. So I think we're going to get a little bit more clarity here. This is the month that we really have to pay attention to. It's June. Forget about May. It's already done, I believe. And there's going to be a little bit. I'm probably going to be a little bit of contention at the meeting tomorrow and Wednesday. There are 2, maybe 3 people on the board who are probably going to push for a pause in rate hikes. So it's likely that they're going to change their language and start talking about higher rates for longer, as opposed to tweaking policy to add more interest rates. So that may be considered a dovish move by the crowd. So we'll see. I don't particularly think it is. The longer the Fed keeps interest rates high, the more challenging it is going to be for the equity markets. But be it as it may, look, the markets were real strong, and they finished April on a high note. The last couple of days were super strong. But I apologize, I can't show this to you right now. Hopefully we'll get this thing fixed up on Thursday. I'll be able to show you the chart. We are still in a bear market. Black line is making a move up on the red line, and it could get up there maybe in another month or two. Maybe if we have a positive May and positive June, and then maybe if we confirm it in July, if we cross over, then you know what, we're going to put our bull market hats on, right? Not yet. It's too soon to do that, and certainly with the I'm looking at the chart right now, and it looks like apparently the 20-month moving average comes in at around 41.75, kind of like right near where we are right now. So this is good resistance here. The 50-month moving average all the way down to 3,700. So again, we're kind of in this range, 4,200 to the high side, 3,800 to the downside. We're near the top of the range right now at 4169 on the S&P 500. So we got to be careful where we're at right now. Now, if we, of course, we break above 4,200 and we confirm it, then that's going to be a game changer. But with a lot of earnings coming out this week, and a lot of earnings that already came out last week, I don't know what the catalyst is to push markets upward, right? So we'll see. We'll see how things go. So as it relates to stocks that I'm looking at, Intuitive Surgical is one that had really good earnings about a week and a half ago. Consolidated a little bit and had a really great day on Friday and really strong volume. ISRG, one that you want to take a look at. I'm also looking at MasterCard as well too. MA had really good earnings last week and broke above that range, where I'm looking for a follow-through day today. So if we can close up higher, maybe a higher high and a higher low, that'll be a positive. And then finally, the last two I'm looking at are ANET, which has earnings coming out later on today. Arista Networks. It made a new high, new relative high in March, about 170 bucks. It pulled back about 10%, and now it's pulling off the 50-day moving average. Just one to take a look at, and then also Uber, which has earnings coming out tomorrow morning. I'm going to be looking at that one today. Pulled all the way down to the 200-day moving average just a couple of days ago, and had a really strong day on good volume on Friday. So again, those two are names that I'm looking at. I'm also taking a good hard look at Salesforce right now, CRM, which also has resistance right around $200, but it's kind of been in this range of about 189, call it, to 200 over the past month and a half. It caught support at around 180, 195 level recently, and bouncing off of there, and again trying to make a push up to 200. So they do have earnings coming out in a few weeks. So that's one I have my eye on as well too. So there's a few names that that could work. Maybe you might want to take a look at too. So I'm gonna call it here, and I apologize for not having the charts. Hopefully we'll get the charts back up and running on Thursday, and I'll talk to people over at Restream so we can get going, and then wish you guys all a great day. Don't forget, have some protection on. Always gotta have some protection on. Puts, 5 puts, 2 puts, whatever. It'll help you buy more calls if that's what you want to do. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you in the chat room if you're there. And oh, by the way, we had a good winner. Thank you, Rick Ellis, for pointing out IVERIC. IVERIC is the name. ISEE is the symbol. Rick talked about this for a while back when it was back in the teens. They got a buyout this morning at $40 cash. I have a bunch of calls in that thing, and some people in the chat room asked them as well too. ISEE is the symbol, and could be a nice pop here. So don't forget, we have Apple coming out this week. We have a Fed meeting starting tomorrow and going for a couple more days, and we have the jobs report later on this week. We'll be talking about that on Thursday morning in the Daily Bite. So don't forget to join us for that. Read the market blast every single day when you get a chance. And I will be back with the chart of the week on Wednesday. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you guys all on Thursday morning. Have a great day, trading.
It's only natural.